Come on, I need to get the seat.
No.
Do you want to be a vlogger too?
No.
Then why are you there?
I'm at the heat.
I know, but I need to go make a video, sweetie.
No, me too.
Okay, go speak here and go sing.
I've been shy out in the water, long enough, number, not too wide. I wish a perfect daughter.
When I come back to the water, no matter how hard, every path leads back to the place I know where I long to be.
The wine and the sea is calls me. The wine go, a champion go.
Give me that. You're not allowed to have a binky when you're vlogging. Otherwise you can't speak. Okay, so can mommy vlog now? Can mommy do it now? I love you. Go sit down there.
No, it's my turn.
But it's already your turn. It's mommy's turn now.
No, me too.
I know it's mommy's turn now. You're done.
No, me too.
Oh no. See you later. Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel. And your ate is back again. Nandito na naman ang ate nyo. At we have a new video. I have a good news to all of you. Especially a good news for me. I'm included now in the Althea Korea Beauty Ambassador community. And I am so very happy about that. I'm a part of Althea Angels. Is it Althea or Althea? Althea Angels, whatever it is. I'm very happy. And actually just few days ago I received my first PR package from them, and I'm actually going to show it to you right now. And I got this box. It's so pretty. It's exclusive for Althea Angels. This is my welcome PR kit, and this is how it looks like. Yay! Okay, it says here, spread your wings with Althea. And welcome to Althea Angels, the beauty ambassador community. I feel so happy being called as ambassador. Hindi lang yan, I also got this beautiful card. It has
a message and it says, "Hello Angel, welcome to Althea Angels Beauty Ambassador Community, a heaven for inspiring and talented beauty reviewers to gather, have fun and talk about all things K-beauty. In the coming months, we'll be lining up fun-filled activities, sneak peeks, and giveaways for our angels to join, so keep your eyes peeled on the Althea Angels everywhere. It's where all the magic happens. We hope you like your welcome gift. It has a little surprise for you, and thank you for becoming our angel, and we look forward to seeing all your beautiful content as our beauty ambassador. Share your happiness. Hashtag Althea Korea, hashtag Althea Angels. XOXO. Tani Lim, Head of Creative Communications, Althea Korea."
Oh no, okay. So here are the things that I got as a welcome gift. I got this beautiful mirror there, and it's really cute. Spread your wings. That's the mirror. And I also got a makeup bag. I always need a makeup bag. Sobrang dami kong makeup na most of them galing ng mga gift. Okay. So I got here. This is Althea Products Bare Essentials and Contour Cleanser. Yay, I love this so much. I actually purchased this before. Yay. My light is really bad. And this one is a primer water. It's so nice. Yay. I really love Korean skincare. This one is a fixer cream. Yay. So I really thought I won't be able to make it because I have a small following on YouTube. I have a reasonable amount followers in Instagram. Hindi sila namimili as long as marunong ka mag-review and you have your dreams, everything is set, then you can be one of their ambassador. Actually, if you're a vlogger and you're watching this, you can also apply actually. Okay, it's on their website. It says here, Beauty Ambassador Community, calling all content creator, bloggers, influencers, and YouTubers. If you're an avid K-beauty junkie and Althea lover, then this is something you don't want to miss out. So yeah, if you want to be an angel, you can apply here and just try it out. Don't stop trying. Ako, I've been to so many makeup contests. Most of the times I lose, but I always keep on trying, even though I fail, because Sometimes I don't take it as a failure. Sometimes kapag sumasali ako, so what kung natalo ako, at least I have a content I can put on my YouTube. And then people like it, people are happy to see it, and it's good already. Although kung matalo man ako, syempre I still have a little bit sadness though. But I don't take it seriously. I don't put it in my head. I just keep going. So just try and try and try until you get accepted or until you win. Don't lose hope. Kasi if it's not for you, there are better plans na you can grab, or maybe there's better plans for you. You'll never know until you try. So yes, if you want this wig, you can click the link below. I put this on my shop, and yeah, you can check it out on Shopee. And all the eyelash I use is Aurora mascara from Charisse Celeb. And yeah, okay, so thank you so much for watching. Thank you for staying here. Maraming salamat for always supporting me. Yung iba dyan, kahit kakaunti kayo, I always appreciate you, and I'm always here to say thank you whenever you say something. You know me, okay. So thank you so much. Had fun and enjoy. Have a great day, everyone, wherever you are. I hope you're having a good time. Take care.